Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we are diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 30th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of June, 2025, our system has classified NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.83. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will keep a close eye on this assessment to observe how it evolves in the upcoming days. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating the likelihood of further declines within this trend. The 3-month trend analysis suggests a potential decrease of approximately 4.45% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 17.43% to positive 16.30%. In terms of the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis predicts a projected change of negative 16.90%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 30.87% and positive 51.86% over the coming year. This would translate to a future price ranging from $2.37 to $5.21. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, NIO stock downgraded to sell candidate. The NIO stock price decreased by 0.87% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 30th of June, 2025, falling from $3.46 to $3.43. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.35%, with a low of $3.41 and a high of $3.49. The price has declined in 6 out of the last 10 days, with a total drop of 2.28% during this period. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should align with stock movement. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 38 million shares, resulting in a total of 24 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $83.41 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $7.71, while the lowest was $3.02. Currently, the price stands 55.51%, or $4.28, below the 52-week high, and 94.88%, or $63.56, below the all-time high recorded on the 11th of January, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. Recent developments surrounding NIO highlight both challenges and opportunities that could significantly impact its stock price in both the short and long term. As of late June 2025, NIO is targeting second quarter sales between 72,000 to 75,000 units, aiming for a return to positive free cash flow this year. This targeted sales rebound could suggest a stabilization of cash flows, which would be a positive short-term indicator for investors. However, competition remains fierce in the electric vehicle market, particularly from XPeng, which has reported impressive deliveries and robust revenue growth, positioning it ahead of NIO. This competitive landscape may weigh on NIO's market perception and stock performance if it fails to regain momentum. Further complicating matters, NIO stock has suffered a nearly 20% decline this year, lagging behind peers like Zeekr Intelligent and Li Auto. Market volatility, driven by tariffs, has also created headwinds, potentially affecting investor sentiment and stock stability. Despite these challenges, NIO is focusing on new vehicle launches and cost efficiencies aimed at improving gross margins, which could foster longer-term growth and recovery. Investors should consider NIO's ability to adapt to competitive pressures and market volatility as key determinants of its future stock performance. The combination of potential sales rebounds and ongoing competition could lead to increased volatility in NIO stock in the near term, but may set the stage for a more sustained recovery and growth trajectory in the long run. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, the 17th of June, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned NIO a neutral rating with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight rating with an upgrade action. On the same day, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform rating with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Today, the stock presents a mix of signals. NIO stock carries sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which contributes to a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. If there are upward corrections, we may encounter resistance at levels $3.45 and $3.70. A breakout above either of these thresholds will generate buy signals. The volume has decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, June 20th, 2025, and since then, it has increased by approximately 0.587%. Further increases are expected until a new peak pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 20 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 23 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 29 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 45 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 61 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.36, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is assessed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 8 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 2.35%. In the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 3.99%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, persistently negative PE ratios may raise concerns about inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 4th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates predict a loss of 470 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.46. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be exceeded before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $3.36. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from various analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO exhibits several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will likely remain weak in the forthcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment from a hold or accumulate position to a sell recommendation. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 1st of July, we anticipate that NIO will open higher by approximately 1.33 cents and begin trading at $3.44. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.